can do with your phone. You don't need any amount to start with. You don't need any amount, and you'll be paid in dollars. That's just the sweet thing. What you just need to do is to activate your PayPal account. So if you don't know how to create a PayPal account, let me know so I can teach you how you can create a PayPal account and start making money with it. So you see it for yourself. All right. So this is what we call friend PC. So when you get here, you can become a life coach. You can become a life coach. You can become a virtual friend, a virtual gamer, a virtual girlfriend. If you need a virtual girlfriend, I need to stop with. So, but we are going to be making money with this app. We are not going to be taking the services. So these are services that are rendered, but we are going to be taking service. So the first thing you need to do is for you to register. But I want to show you. So you can see over here, I have someone. She's a virtual girlfriend. So you can see what she wrote. Hey, my name is. So then we have this person over here. This is a business coach. So if you don't want to be a virtual girlfriend, you can actually be a business coach. So this person is going to be getting. Let me click inside. Let me see what is inside so we can see it all through. So you'll be paid $40. Let's assume that you are this person. So let's see for ourselves. So she lives in United States. So we are going to add ourselves onto it as well. I'll teach you how to do that. So you even put a calendar on when you're available, so you can do this anytime you want, anytime you feel like. So just put your calendar, and a person would pick a day that you're going to meet. This is well organized. So this is I believe that everybody can do this. So where are we going to? I'll be going to. So you can see she has over 510 views. So and aside that, there are reviews. People drop reviews. So let's get listed. So you click on add listing up there. But first of all, let me bring in my. All right. So you can log in with your Facebook account. You can decide to log in. So I'm going to be registering. I'm going to be using my Facebook account. So, but I would advise as well, don't use your Facebook account because they can actually, this hacking of a thing. So I don't advise. It's not advisable you use your Facebook account. So just click on register. Well, when you click on register, you put your username. Let me put my username. Let me use. So Let me just show you what it contains. So I won't waste your time. So let me just show you what it entails. So you put your username, your email address. Then by using this website, you accept the terms accepted, consent to process of personal data accepted. So let me put my email address. Let me quickly do that. That will not take me much time. Okay. That won't take me much time though. So you click on register. So just wait for it to load. But let me pause it so you won't. So for me to get here, meaning it has been registered. So this is my dashboard. You can see my username there, my earnings. So let me go to get a listing up here. So I clicked add a listing. So I want to add the services I'll be providing. It's just like creating a gig. Do you understand? Those that have used Fiverr before, you understand what I'm saying. So you list type. So what are you going to be doing? Are you going to be a business coach? So for me, I'm going to be taking the virtual coach. What I did was I actually fill out all the whole form so that this thing would not so that it would not my phone would not crash. So let me show you what I did. So let me go to edit so I can show you what I actually feel and how I did it. So you guys you know that I just opened the what's it called? The account is just like the same way you're going to be opening your own. So I taught you everything step by step. So the virtual, you can see here, we're having what? Virtual coach title bar. So I wrote getting your business online. So then after that, then you have here listing category. What is the category? So let me show you some of the category that are available. So don't mind my phone. We have life coach. You can see over here. You can see. So we have life coach, we have career coach, health coach, and so on and so forth. Life coach. So anyone you are good at or you fit in. Then I added some tags. Okay, you can add some tags here. So, but because of this video, I won't be adding tag for now. I'll be doing that later. Do you get? So that I won't waste time in the video. Then, oh, Nigeria was even part of the country. Can you see me? I thought Nigeria was not included. When we are used to this Nigeria not being included in all these sites. So my hope was that because I actually found search for Nigeria, I didn't see Nigeria there. All right, guys. So I'm pretty proud of my country because the narrative has changed over the past few months about Nigeria being a very good country. You should know. You should know. So I'm not afraid to put my country. So let me put Shomolu over here. Shomolu. So because I'm in Shomoluba. So let me just put Shomolu. They can search for it by themselves. Okay, that will even give me an advantage to put my picture because I didn't want to put my picture. Because I used United States before. I didn't. You can see I have not added description because of this video. So if you want to add description, I will advise you go to ChatGPT, but I won't be doing so much. So you go to Chat. Okay, let me show you. So it will not be like I'm just talking. Let me show you what I meant. You go to Google, you search for Chat. So when you search for ChatGPT or OpenAI, the next thing you click on is click on chat. So I just want to show for those that have not heard of ChatGPT, because I'm not sure everybody has heard of this. But if you have not heard of it, that's not a crime. It's pretty. So what I did when I got to ChatGPT after clicking get started with ChatGPT. So this was what I wrote there. Then the next thing I'm going to click on, I'll click on this icon here. So when I click on it, it's going to help me write whatsoever I need. So you just wait for it. So getting your business online can be great way to reach a wider. But you can't just use this. You can't use it directly. Don't I will advise that you should not use this content here directly. So what you should do is you should use a rephrasing tool. You can either use QuickBooks, or you use rewriter or a rewriter. So after I copy the content that ChatGPT gave me, then I came to this app that is called Rewriter Tool. Then you click on Start Rephrasing. So I pasted those contents here. Then I after pasting it, you click on Start. So let me wait for it. So you can see this or this site software actually helped me write what I wrote there. So let me just copy it. You can actually check it out for yourself. So let me just copy it and paste it. Do you get? All right. So after doing that, the next thing you pick is you click on Save Changes, because I've done some changes there. So if you want me to post more content on this particular stuff, let me know. Go to the comment section and let me know, because I want to post some more other content that's different from this. But if you know you like this, because I feel everybody can do this, everyone, even though you don't have anything to start with or you don't have a skill, at least you can talk, you can be there for someone. So I believe everybody can do this. Let me assume you are done. So if you look at it very well, you see not reviewed yet, meaning your listing will have to be reviewed before it can be published. So once you can publish it, you get. But I'm not going to be publishing this because I didn't complete this, so I won't be publishing something I've not, so that they won't think that that will not be a first impression. I won't want to get a very bad first impression, and I will not advise you do that as well. So you go to your dashboard. So guys, this is going to work out well for those that are in the US. So you know how they feel now. Now we in Nigeria. So guys, if you jump on this offer and you want to make more money, so I'll be stopping here for now. But if you want me to make more videos on this, just let me know. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's not easy making video. After on you edit, you post, you know, it's not easy, sha. But make sure you click that subscribe button and make sure you like the video as well. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you on. Let me know what you want me to post, so I would, just do the same. So thank you for watching. I'll be going now.